Hi everybody, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. I just wanted to go over a trade that we took, and this trade was indeed taken yesterday. I meant to make it yesterday, but I got sidetracked. So basically, before the news came out with the Australian job report, which came out excellent, I think it was plus 44,000. There was a setup here. There was a slow move, very low volume, but what we had here was the moving averages were holding nice, and what I noticed was a nice reverse head and shoulders. We had the head here, shoulder, shoulder, and then the neckline would be right up around here. So what I did was I took a long and Asian session, all right, and that was at 1.0301 if I remember correctly. The stop was tight, all right. I had about a 15 pip stop on there, and it was just a set and forget for me. Now the target was up here, all right. That was 1.0345, and the target was hit in a matter of seconds when that news came out. So I just wanted to point out that pattern. And then afterwards into the Euro session, it was just pretty slow, a gradual move higher. When this morning's session came into effect in US session, we had our official trading room. What we did was we placed a stop but below, I believe it was right around here, below this 20. Now this is a 1 hour chart, and we just grabbed a quick 23 pips, and we exited right around here on that first move up, and that was done about 9:45 a.m. So really we went with the trend, 2 trades on the Aussie dollar, and wanted to also point out the daily chart. Okay. There was divergence prevalent, as we discussed, in our trading room. We've been discussing this now all week. We had a swing trade at the lows at 1.0253 and a target at 1.0445. Alright, so we have been discussing this divergence. We had price action moving down, and we had the momentum moving lower as the price action was moving down. All right, that made for a nice counter trend trade on this particular pair, the Aussie dollar. So that's my discussion for the Aussie dollar. I wanted to invite everybody to come to FXLiveDayTrading.com. I haven't been posting that many videos lately with all these wonderful trade setups that we've been seeing this week, and the middle of last week to the end of last week. It's been very good. But I'm going to proceed to try and do at least a few videos over the course of the next week and post them. So once again, I think a really good example here of a reverse head and shoulders. We go back to the 1 hour chart. Head, shoulder, shoulder. Very nice neckline break, and this was all done during that news time. It was a nice risk-reward ratio over here, and it was a 44 pip actual trade, and I had less than a 20 pip stop on that, so that worked out nice. Alright, as these trading patterns come about, I'll, like I said, try and do a few videos. And take care, everybody. Have a great trading day.